backing off. Let's get out of here. You go first, Beavis.
I don't know, butthead, that road's like moving pretty fast and stuff.
Come on, Beavis. Just start running really fast as soon as you hit the ground. It'll work.
No way, you go.
Don't be a wuss, Beavis.
Not to mention a duck.
Do not fool Rolf! I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small.
And now for something completely different.
Hi, everyone. What's the deal with eggplants? I mean, they're not eggs, they're not plants.
Fuck you! You suck!